Alright friends, today we're going to draw Sally.
Yeah, we're going to draw Sally from The Nightmare Before Christmas, but we're going to draw her as a Squishmallow.
Yes.
Yeah, these are really fun because the big shape is just an oval or a circle, and then we add all of the details to turn her into Sally.
Yeah.
Are you excited? Okay, let's start. We're using our markers and marker paper to draw with, but you can use whatever you have at home or in the classroom. You can use a crayon or even colored pencils. Let's start by drawing the outside shape of Sally, and we're going to draw her as a big oval shape that fills most of the paper.
Yeah.
I'll help you. Hold the paper. There you go. Yeah. And connect. I love that you have a different shape than mine. That's okay, right? They both turned out awesome. And the most important thing is?
To have fun and practice.
Yeah, have fun and practice. Okay, now let's draw Sally's little nose. We're going to draw it right in the middle of our paper. Well, in the middle of the shape, but towards the top. We're going to draw a rainbow line.
Wow.
Then we're going to draw her mouth right underneath. And let's draw her eyes. We're going to draw a circle and another circle. Well, I'm going to make these a little bigger, just like yours. And then let's color in those circles. I really like how big your eyes are.
Thank you.
That part we sped up, so remember to pause the video and take time to color your eyes. Now let's draw her hair. We're going to start right here in the middle of our paper, or the middle of the shape towards the top, and we're going to draw a little upside down V. And then we're going to curve around and then come down next to her body and then out to the side. That's for her long red hair. And then we're going to repeat that same step over here for the other side. Now we're ready to draw her clothes. We're going to draw a guide point right here in the middle. We're going to come straight down from her mouth. And then we're going to start here and draw a diagonal line that comes up to the left and a diagonal line that comes up to the right. Next, we're going to draw the patches for her clothes or her dress. Let's draw a diagonal line coming down. Then we're going to draw it coming out to the side. And then we're going to draw another line coming down to the left. And then we're going to draw one more line for another patch coming out to the side. Now we're going to add more details and stitches. Oh, wait, we forgot the eyelashes. Let's draw 3 eyelashes on each eye. And we're going to add the other details a little later after we color. Let's switch to our red marker. We'll use this to color in her hair, and this part will fast forward. So pause the video and take time to color your drawings. Next, we're using our light blue to color her face. When you're using really light colors with our alcohol-based markers, it helps to not color next to the black because it'll smear the black marker. It's meant to do that because these markers will blend.
Yeah.
But sometimes you don't want to blend the black, so we're staying really far away from the black so that it doesn't smear it.
Yeah.
Now for the rest of the drawing, we're going to color in the clothes. Yellow, this is kind of a pink purple color, blue, and black.
Yeah.
We're almost done coloring Sally. We need to add a few extra details. Let's start with the stitches. We'll draw 1 stitch across. Then we could draw an X for another stitch.
Let's do the plus.
And then we can draw a couple more stitches going down. We can add stitches and also an X. There you go. Ooh, lots of stitches. You can space them out. There you go. Nice. And then we can add stitches going down this side and across the blue and orange. Let's also add patterns to the patches. Let's start right here and we'll draw a half circle. Then we could draw another half circle that goes around it. Then this one's going to be really fun. We'll start here. We're going to draw it like we're going around, but then we're going to turn it into a spiral. Yeah, that's awesome. Good job. Let's also add another spiral right here. And one more spiral in this little empty spot. We could even add another curve over here if you have an empty space too. Nice job. That looks really good. Okay, now let's add spots on this one. I'm going to draw a circle and we can color that in. Then let's draw a half circle here and color that one in. And one more half circle down here and fill that one in. Let's also draw diagonal lines going through the spots. I'm going to start here, leave a little space, and then draw another diagonal line. And repeat that until you get to the other side and fill it in. Yeah, now we have one more thing to do. Let's add stitches. We're gonna draw one stitch going through. So we have a darker blue. I might need an even darker blue. Yeah, yours is dark. I'm gonna use 76 blue. There we go. And we're gonna go through her eye. And then we can also add stitches going the other way. And she also had stitches coming off her mouth. If you want to add those, you can. Oh, and her lips were red. I'm gonna use 15 red and trace around her mouth. Olivia, we did it! We finished drawing and coloring Sally, and she turned out so cute. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
You promise?
Yes.
I love that we used a big shape for the outside, and then we added all the details for the inside. It kind of makes the lesson a little easier, but you can still tell that it's Sally.
Yeah, we hope you have fun drawing Sally with us.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.